Welcome to a Let's Pretend It's Fall vlog. I sort of thought that when I posted my video on Sunday about my fall decor haul, I was kind of concerned that it might be too early and that some of you guys would be like, ugh, I'm not ready for fall yet. But based upon the response that I got, a lot of you are ready for fall, so you get it, right? I am in a fall mood, guys. I wanted to do a spend the day with me vlog. Yes, it is extremely hot. The temperature gauge in my car is saying 98 degrees right now, but I am in a fall mood, right? So now we are going out. I'm gonna run a few errands. I'm gonna pick up a couple of things from Kohl's, and then I'm gonna go to Kirkland's. I'm gonna go into Bath and Body Works. I have a return. We'll look at, sort of the fall candles in there. And then I am gonna make a fall meal tonight, guys. So I'm going to Sam's to pick up the meal. I'm gonna make a chicken pot pie and some apple turnovers with some ice cream, right? So very fall-like. We started the book Nook today. So yeah, we have the bookcase put together as well as the little Chase lounger. The Chase lounger is bigger than I thought. I measured, but I guess I didn't measure well. But you know what? We're going to make it work. So that is coming together. Let's spend the day together and let's enjoy fall. Hey y'all, okay, so I made it back home and I thought I would do a little bit of a haul before I start cooking. So I went to Bath and Body Works. I returned 2 candles, and the candles that I picked up were Fresh Fall Morning. And this smells like citrus zest, woodland sage, and red delicious apples. I don't really like apple scents too much, and I don't smell this in here, but it smells so light and airy and clean and fresh, so I picked that one up. And this one is very different. So I picked up Sunlight Trails. It's fir branches, bright citrus, and golden sun rays, whatever that is. Guys, this smells rustic. It smells like pine, I guess. I feel like I'm in a wood cabin, on a fall day, and maybe it has rained outside. This is what this smells like. And then I went to Kohl's, guys, and I got a few things. I got these pillows. I think I'm gonna use this for my front patio. I'm gonna decorate my front patio. I got these, guys. I'll use this as a pot holder. So when I make dinner tonight, I'm gonna use this, and I really like it, just the fall color. And then I went to Kirkland's. Hold on, now I think my tree guy is coming. He just showed up, hold on. I showed you guys in a couple vlogs ago that my lanai flooded. We had a bad rainstorm and it flooded because the trees that are overhanging on my side of the property, they're my neighbor's trees, but they overhang on my property. They are clogging my gutter. And so when it rains, it backs up and it floods my patio. So I'm getting some quotes to get that taken care of. So that was the guy. Okay, back to fall things. They call it a throwsy, but it's very lightweight. I like the the material of this. And yeah, it just has the pumpkins and it has a hood to it. It's oversized. This is a one size fits all. I can just see myself wearing this all season, some cozy fall nights, movie nights, scary movie nights. I also saw a pumpkin blanket. I didn't get it when I was in store because it wasn't on sale in store, but it was on sale online. So what I did is I went online and I ordered it for pickup in store. When I saw that blanket, I had something came up about a similar blanket that was like a football theme. I like football, but it depends upon who's playing or whatever. But I just think if I have my cozy fall blanket and I'm here on the couch, even if I'm not really paying attention to the football, if I'm reading a book or whatever, just the blanket will help to make the experience so cozy and so festive. Then I went to Home Goods and I picked up several things. I was just running in there, but that's always when you find things, when you're just running in there really quickly. And I picked up this ghost plate or platter. I like to make charcuterie boards, or I like to make fruits and treats and things on charcuterie boards, and so I really wanted a platter like this, and this was perfect. And so I found these, guys. Is that not the cutest? And this one, we have the pumpkin and the cat and like the spider web thing. So tonight when I do my apple turnover dessert, I'm gonna use these. And then when I picked these up, I saw these. And guys, look at this. It's so in line with my not so spooky, not so scary Halloween decor. Guys, these are football placemats and I had to get them. It is 4 to this set, but I'll use it just as kind of decor for the table, just to make the little snack foods just seem more festive. I just like to get into that kind of stuff. All right, guys, I am going to get relaxed, get showered, and then we're gonna make them. Okay, y'all, so we are showered. We have on the throwaby and we are super cozy. So I just washed my face and it's really dry right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Lancome Tonique Comfort. And just like that, I am back to looking moisturized. I think I just heard the oven, guys. I think our pot pie is done. So let me have to go through this quickly. I've been really enjoying this serum and the combination with the serum and the moisturizer. I turned the air down really low. So everyone's gonna be out there freezing, but we're cozy, so it's all good. I know, I hear it. Yep. I'm coming. Just going in with this Estee Lauder Eye Repair Gel. Sorry, I am rushing. I don't want our food to burn. Let me grab a lip gloss. I know which one to grab. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna go in with this Laneige. It's Eggnog Latte. They released this last fall. I didn't use it that much, but we're gonna go in with it tonight because we're in a fall mood. It smells so good. It just smells like fall. All right, y'all, let's go to the kitchen and finish dinner. so much crust on here. The crust is so thick and flaky. Look at that. This is the perfect fall meal. And the salad is so fresh. This is what fall feels like to me. So good. Okay. I'm gonna finish eating. Then I'm gonna get ready to prepare dessert, but I just want to sit here and enjoy this meal and enjoy this moment of fall. And I'll be right back.